Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. Let's move on our today's lesson. As you all know that we have finished unit number 2, and we have done all the reading pages, exercise questions, we have done some worksheets, we have done a lot of activities. Today I will give you a complete review of unit number 2. We will see what we have read, what we have done, and what you have able to learn from this unit. So, lesson number 7, review of unit number 2, my family and friends. Before moving on our today's lesson, quickly let's refresh the whole unit. I will ask a few questions from the unit. Quickly answer them. How many members are there in your family? I have 6 family members. Quickly count and tell me yours. What are the names of your maternal uncles? Quickly answer this, that what are the names of your maternal uncles, the brother of your mother. Quickly tell their names. The name of my maternal uncle is Afzal. What are the names of your paternal aunts? So now paternal aunts, that means your popo, the sister of your father. What are their names? Quickly tell me. The name of my paternal aunt is Kalsoom. How do you behave with your brothers and sisters? Now, my dear students, when you play or work with your brothers and sisters, how do you behave with them? We must behave very nicely and kindly with our brothers and sisters. How do you behave with your parents? So our parents take care of us. So how should we behave with them? We must behave respectfully with our parents. What do you learn from your parents? Now we are living with our parents and we learn a lot of things from them. For example, I learned writing, reading, cooking, cleaning. These are all the things that I have learned from my parents. What do you learn from your parents? Quickly answer this. How do you behave with your friends? Now, while playing or working with your friends, how do you behave with them? Quickly answer this. We must behave nicely and fairly with our friends. Should we live with peace? Yes, we should live with peace. Do the facilities you enjoy were there in your parents' childhood? No. How was the life of your parents and grandparents in their childhood? Their life was very different from us because they do not have such facilities which we enjoy today. So if there is any problem, you can pause the video and you can answer all these questions. Okay, let's move on. Now quickly let's have a look at the SLOs that you have completed in this unit. Identified some family members, parents, brothers, sisters, grandparents, aunts, uncles and cousins, paternal and maternal. Students were able to recognize that they should respect all family members and friends. Students will able to narrate the special qualities of some of their friends. Students will able to describe that their parents did differently in their childhood. So my dear students, you have completed all these SLOs and today we will review them again by looking at the content which we have read. But before that, let's look at the Islamic perspective of all these SLOs. Allah says in Quran, and worship God and join none with him in worship, and do good to parents and relatives. So my dear students, according to the first SLO, we must respect and love our parents and our relatives. Whether our relatives are younger than us or elder than us, we must respect everyone. The Prophet said, he is not one who does not have mercy on our young and does not respect our elders. So again, our relatives and our parents are very important for us. We must respect everyone. So because Islam teaches us to respect everybody. Allah says in Quran, O believers, fasting is prescribed for you as it was prescribed for the people before you, so that you may become poised. So, my dear students, past and present life. In the past, people used to fast, and in the present, we fast in the month of Ramadan. So, fasting is very important. It has not changed. Everything has changed from the past, and now it is changed in the present. But fasting is there. People used to fast in the past, and they fast in the present also. Now, some pre-reading questions. Who are maternal uncle and aunts? Quickly answer this, my dear students. Who are maternal uncles and aunts? They are brothers and sisters of your, yes, you know that. They are brothers and sisters of your mother. Excellent. Now, who are paternal uncle and aunts? Quickly answer this. Paternal uncles and aunts are the brothers and sisters of your father. Excellent. How do you behave with your friends? We behave respectfully and fairly with our friends. Should we live with peace? Yes. Name some things which were different in past and now they are different. Now quickly name some things which you think now they are present and in the past they were not used by your grandparents. For example, air conditioners, LCDs, mobiles, computers, fans, cars. These things were not present in the past. Very nice. Now on page number 19, my dear students, if you remember, Sarah was celebrating her birthday and she introduced us with her maternal uncles and aunts and paternal uncles and aunts and with her mother and father. So we discussed about paternal relatives and maternal relatives. So this was done on page number 19. Sarah introduced us with her paternal uncles and aunts and maternal uncles and aunts. On page number 20, you we did the ways to respect the family members and the friends. So here Sarah told us that when her father comes to home, she gives him a glass of water, she helps her mother in the kitchen, and her grandmother tells them stories and she listens to her advice. Her grandfather takes her to the park where she plays with her friends. And with her friends, she always plays fairly and she does not tease them. So, how you respect your family members and your friends? By helping them, by being respectful, by not teasing them, by giving them a glass of water, helping them in cleaning, helping your brothers and sisters in their homework. This is how you show respect to your family members. Now on the next page, page number 22, we discussed about the difference between the past and present life, where Sarah and her grandmother were talking about an old picture where Sarah's grandfather is working in the field and he is working with an animal. Right now, people use tractors to work in the field. And in the second picture, the grandmother is pointing towards a man riding on a tonga. So this is Sarah's grandfather brother and he is going to school on tonga. Today people use cars to travel from one place to another. So on this page we discussed about past and present life and we discussed a lot of differences between past and present life. Now I have an assessment for you. Quickly do this assessment with me and the teacher will provide the students with the printed worksheet so they can do it easily. Okay? Now on the screen, here you will write your name, here you will write your class and you will have to complete the family tree first. Okay? My family tree. Paternal, you have to write here paternal grandparents. For example, your grandmother and grandfather. Here you will write the names of your maternal grandparents. Then here you will write the names of your paternal uncles and aunts. Here you will write the names of your maternal uncles and aunts. Then the names of your father here, the name of your mother here, then the name of your siblings, and then your name here. So this is called a family tree. Pause the video and quickly do quickly do this part of the assessment. I hope everybody has finished it. Now let's move on towards the next part. Respect. I respect my mother by helping her. I respect my father by giving him a glass of water. I respect my friends by not teasing them and playing fairly with them. So pause the video and quickly finish these sentences. If you have any problem, you can take help from your teacher or you can take help from your mother or father. The next, past and present. Color the things which were not used in old days. Now you have to color the picture which was not present in the past. For example, a truck, electricity, mobile phones. So you have to color these pictures. So this will be a fun activity. Now pause the video and do the assessment pages. Your teacher will, I am telling you again that the teacher will provide the students with the print form of the assessment so students can easily do it here. Okay? Now my dear students, your homework is that read unit number 2, page number 19 till 22. Now, I have given you a complete review of all the pages that we have done in unit number 2. Now, you have to do the reading of these pages. This will enhance your reading skills. Okay, what have I learned? This is given on page number 23. So, these are all the points that we have learned in unit number 2. The brothers and sisters of my father are my paternal uncles and aunts. The brothers and sisters of my mother are my maternal uncles and aunts. I should respect my family members and friends. The lifestyle of my parents and grandparents was very different than that of mine. My parents and grandparents did not have such facilities which we enjoy today. Now, these are all the things that we have learned so far in the whole unit. Now, quickly answer some questions so that we will wrap up this unit and this unit will be finished. Okay, my father's brother and sister are my father's brother and sister are my paternal uncles and aunts. Okay, very nice. Now, my mother's brother and sister are my, what are they? They are your maternal uncles and aunts. Very nice. I should respect my family member and friends. So how do you respect your family members and friends? Quickly see them on the screen by cleaning your room, by helping your mother, by not teasing your friend, playing fairly with them, by opening door for somebody. So these are all the ways to respect your family members and your friends. Now, my grandparents did not have such facilities which I enjoy today. So, like the old phone used to look like this. There were no proper stereo systems. Now we have proper stereo system. There was no calculator. They used abacus. And now we have calculators. We have mobile phones and modern LCDs and LEDs. And in the old times, the television used to look like this. So, in the past, the things were different, and in the present, the things are different. If you have missed anything, my dear student, quickly rewatch the video and finish this. Do your assessment so that you know that you have completed everything. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.